Welcome dear viewers, my name is Yasir Noor. I am from level advanced and participating from green category. I welcome you all to the Quest Scientific World, and I have prepared a satellite for Quest Scientific World because it plays an important role everywhere in the world. They are used in communications such as television, fax, internet, and they are also used in radio broadcasting, weather forecasting, and agriculture monitoring. First of all, we should know that what is satellite. Satellite has also a few parts. The first one is attitude control, the second one is power source, the third one is communications, the fourth one is body, and the fifth one is graphical fixture, and the last one is internal computer. First, we should know what is satellite. Satellite is an object that revolves around the world, around the earth, in order to collect information. The first part of the satellite is attitude control. Attitude control refers to the maintenance of the satellite at its assigned position. The function of attitude control is to keep antenna pointed toward the desired region on the surface of the earth. And it is also used to have solar cells so that they face the sun. And the second one is power source. Satellites require energy to revolve around the earth or to send information to the earth. So that's why solar panels are mounted on each satellite. These solar panels convert sunlight into energy and then provide energy to the satellites. The third one is communications. Communications take place through satellite communication. So that satellite communication, if the communication takes place through any two stations through a satellite, then it is known as satellite communication. So the word communication refers to the exchange of information between two entities through any medium. It can be between persons and persons, things and things, in the form of speech, in the form of text, in the form of data, and in the form of signals. So the fourth one is body. Body stands as a helper of these parts which are connected to the body. So all the communications are stored in the parts of the satellite, which are then sent to the earth with the use of a transponder. The fifth one is graphical fixture. Graphical fixture is consisted of a foot metal long pin, a base plate, and a target. They are also used in spacecrafts or with other objects to provide secure connection for a robotic arm. The last one is internal computer. All the satellites must have a method of storing and analyzing data collected by a satellite, which helps us to find the things around the world. The first, the thing which helps us to find the data around the world is telemetry, tracking, and control. This is the brain of the satellite and its operating system. It logs every activity of the satellite, receives information from the ground stations, and takes care every upkeep of this satellite. So this was the satellite and its few parts. I hope you will learn from these things. So thank you very much.